for no good reason. Maybe because he looks silent into the forest. He's littering from side to side. Darting out and eyes that never close. Maybe a bias here, may sani ba na ha? Okay, well then, leave. Guys, meron po kami konting problema, but I need your cooperation. I'm afraid we accidentally misplaced our friend. And she is somewhere out there. Can you please check your seat and wait para nilagyan ng magagawa ko? Please don't touch it. Huwag niyo po gagawin, di ba? Kung nakita niyo, please don't touch it. Paano nakawala, ha? Ano ba? Oh, sorry. The last time we saw her, she was inside a blue backpack. Anyone see a blue backpack? Where could I be the bag? See what we have. Dito lang paligid ng friend namin. And this is Leia, our reticulated python. You know guys, python is the world's longest snake. They can grow up to 9 meters long.